Hello kids, let's move on with part 2. In this part, we will learn about the various components of the Scratch window. See, this is the screen of Scratch window. I have already started this application, but if you want to start your Scratch application program, kindly go through the steps. First of all, type in the search box Scratch. The Scratch tree will appear. Now click on that, will open the Scratch program. Okay, so let's start. The first component of the Scratch window is the sprite. Students, do you remember the turtle? This is exactly same as. The sprite is an object or graphical character that you see on the Scratch stage. The white area that is called stage. It performs various actions in a Scratch project. If you want to change your sprite, you can do that by clicking on this button. Okay, by default the cat sprite is selected and displayed in the middle of the stage. Okay, so now let's see the next component, that is stage. So what is stage over here? It is the main working area to draw pictures or perform actions. Stage is the place where sprites move, as the turtle was moving now, likewise the same way, and interact with each other. See, this stage is divided into X and Y coordinates, which shows the position of the sprite. Values of X and Y is 0 means your sprite will be displayed at the center of the stage. So the 0, 0 is the home of your stage. The values of both the coordinates are displayed at the bottom right corner of the stage. If you change the value in that box, your sprite will move accordingly. Okay, so these all about the stage. The next is sprite list. See, the sprite list is the thumbnail of the sprite. It is located below the stage and displays the thumbnails of all the sprites that we have selected. As I told earlier that you can change your sprite by clicking on this button. See, there are many sprites available. You can choose any. So now this is my second sprite. The first is the cat and the second is the bear. Okay, if you will move your sprite, your X and Y coordinates value will change as shown in figure. See. Okay, so these all are about the sprite list. Now let's see the script area. This is the script area where we will write down the instructions. So we can say that the collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite is known as a script. Script area is the place where we pick and drop the blocks to create a script. You have to simply drag the instructions from the blocks palette. Can you see this blue color, the vertical box? That is the blocks palette. See, I have selected one instruction move 10 steps. So right now the bear is selected. So the bear will move 10 steps ahead. So here there are two sprites, one is cat and the second one is bear. Now you can change your sprite name using this box. There are 3 different view buttons available. Okay. You can identify the change with the first one. The script section will be enlarged and the state section is collapsed. Now see the full screen. View full screen mode or presentation mode button is located at the top left corner of the stage. By clicking on this button, you can view the presentation of your project in full screen mode. Okay. Now there is one box that is direction. That is top, left, bottom, right. Okay, so we can say that it is like rotation as we are doing in the paint program. Exactly same. Here you have to specify the angles. So direction is used for the rotation of your sprite. Next we will see the tabs. The Scratch is having 3 tabs: code, costumes and sounds. Okay, all the 3 tabs have different tasks to perform. See, there are different commands available over here. The code tabs, in that there are many blocks available for the instructions. The next is the backdrops. See, the use of backdrop is used to change the background of your stage. So the background you can change by using the backdrops button. See, now I have changed my background. Now it looks good. Now the cat sprite is not looking appropriate, so I am deleting it. Now see, it looks like the bear is walking in the jungle. See, we have inserted one command, one instruction for the bear. So if you will click on that, your script will run. Okay, let's do that. See, I am clicking. See, now my bear is moving by clicking on that instruction. Very easy. So children, we will do lots of new instructions, new command in the next video. Stay tuned. I hope that you will like the Scratch programming very much. Till then, do the practice of these background changing, sprites changing, and give few commands, instruction to your sprite and look the changes. So in the blocks palette there are many options available like motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and even you can also create your own block. And you can create your attractive animation by using these blocks. So we are ending over here. In the next video we will do few more animations. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.